Hello everyone, in this tutorial show how to create a comparison chart in Google Sheets.
It helps you compare data like sales price, performance, or any values visually using chart, making it easier to understand difference and make
So let's begin. First open your Google spreadsheet data, then select all data, go to insert tab, chart, then automatically making a chart. Simply you can change to this chart type and see this. Use a pie chart when comparing percentage or proportions of a whole. Use a line chart for time-based comparisons to show trends over a period. And remove unnecessary data to keep your chart clean, clear and easy to understand. Double click again since chart title type or copy paste.
and use 3D comparison from data level in streamline sales show answer or instruction
And change chart type